This is a room tour of room 59374. Yes, you heard that correctly. That's on the 59th floor of the Hilton Hotel at Resorts World, Las Vegas. I didn't quite appreciate just how big this building was, to be honest. I didn't realise it would have anything like 59 floors. But the room's very, very, very nice. Really clean, modern, as you would expect, bearing in mind it's only recently opened. Lovely bathroom, only a single sink, but great shower. Looks really nice, really nice. Full length mirror there, standard sort of hanging space. Bed looks super comfy. Nice bit of artwork there. Now this is a deluxe king with a strip view. So you've got minibar here. And actually this is the fridge they had down at Rio earlier in the week. So they do leave the right hand side for your own stuff. Your safe is in here. Because of the weight, it's actually quite difficult to open. There you go. And seating area there. Now my only criticism is the view's lovely, but the windows are filthy. Really, I mean, the dirtiest windows I've seen in any Vegas hotel in a long time. That's the view. So it's going to look pretty good at night. Hopefully it will mask out the hideous state of the windows. I don't know if you can see that, but it really spoils it. And you'd think a sort of higher end property like this would do something about that, really. So that's my only criticism. I got this on a 2-night comp. No resort fees. But I tried to check in early, and they basically had the strip view rooms ready, but only with a $35 a night upgrade fee, which I didn't think was too bad, really. So $35 plus tax, so it came to $79 extra for a free stay. So in effect, I'm getting 2 nights for $79. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? So I took that because I didn't want to wait around a few hours until 4 PM. So that is the room. Not bad at all. I'm looking forward to experiencing this place. It's not somewhere I've stayed before. It's not somewhere I've really thought about staying before. But I'm interested to have a look at the pool and some of the restaurants downstairs. So look at the regular vlog for my opinion on it by the end of tomorrow. Speak soon.